So let's talk about what's going on in the overall market. This is a crypto news update. So what we got going on here, guys, is just continuation of what started really yesterday. We're at 2.09 trillion. The overall crypto market is just continues to shed. SHED shed market cap. Bitcoin has dropped from a market cap of over 900 plus billion in the last 48 hours to 787. Ethereum has dropped from market cap of north of 450 billion to 377, and you can see, in the last 24 hours they're down each respectively. I firmly believe that Bitcoin is going to basically possibly bounce down to 38,000, guys. I think that's where the major support level is. It is what it is. It's entirely possible we're going to reach that. And with that said, if that does transpire, I think Ethereum is going to drag below 3,000 along with it. How I see that as a long-term buying opportunity, not investing advice. That's what I'm looking at. That's how I'm playing this out. This is continuation of what started yesterday, where we've got Kazakhstan with their whole shutting the internet down. They are a country that's basically responsible for between about 12 and 14% of the global worldwide Bitcoin mining operation, and that is having a direct corollary on Bitcoin, dragging it down, etc. That situation will resolve itself and rectify. But we've also got going on here in the United States that the Federal Reserve has come out and they're going to start tightening their monetary policy. They're going to raise interest rates. They're going to put in a more restrictive monetary policy as it relates to lending and the overall markets, etc. They're going to stop injecting as much liquidity. They've been injecting about 125 billion monthly. They're going to pull that back. So I think we continue to have these effects now. Historically, crypto has been a good hedge against inflation and things like that. So I think that again we will see this, but we've just got overall fear running rampant. We got local news now screaming again, COVID, people getting tested and starting to, like here in Dallas, you turn on the news, all anybody wants to talk about is showing us the COVID stats again, the hospitalization, the beds, etc. All that is adding up to create an entire environment of fear, uncertainty, and doubt, etc. Do I fundamentally believe that crypto is going to turn back on? Absolutely. Because I view it as I'm a long-term guy. Guys, I'm upside down in a lot of my stuff. I am. It just is what it is. Outside of my longer-term stuff, the new stuff I bought in the last 4 or 5 months, a lot of Ethereum, Bitcoin, etc. I'm not worried about it. Okay, that's where I'm at right here, right now. I think that this is something that we will ultimately get past. We just have to digest this information, and that's where I'm at. Again, you have to do what's right for you. How I'm looking at it, I'm seeing this as buying opportunity. I mean, Solana yesterday was at $1.50-ish, $1.45, excuse me. Now it's at 137. Cardano faring a little bit better. XRP, again, Polkadot's only down 3% overall in the last 24 hours. We can see kind of some of the bigger, there's some of your bigger gainers like Cosmos in the top 100 is only up 14.5%. Fractshare, Harmony, Quant, these are doing well, faring well in the overall kind of grand scheme of things. But if you look at kind of the biggest losers, if you will, is Spell Token, only down about 12%. Olympus, Gala, Sushi, etc. These are not dramatic moves down. So overall, again, we've got kind of a lackadaisical market going on here. We've got a market situation that I think we'll continue to see potentially, like I said, Bitcoin dropping to 38,000 or so, Ethereum dropping below 3. I think those are our probably would be high twos, like 2,800. I think those are our baseline support levels below where we're at right now. All indicators is that if Bitcoin kind of drops down to 38,000, we need to watch it to see if it bounces off that support level and then bounces back up. Or if it continues to move down. If it moves down, that's not a good thing. So keep your eye on it in that capacity, okay? So with that said, I need to make you aware, Patreon, links in the description below. I have a brand new members benefit. Tomorrow, I'm doing a weekly live stream just for my members talking about buy alerts, new tokens, new projects we're looking at that we like. These are new opportunities. We got some good ones coming out, and we did this last week. Had 4 new alerts and tokens that we issued on. We also issued an alert earlier. When I say we, I mean me. I don't know why I'm talking about myself in the third person. I issued an alert on a gaming token that is a groundbreaker. It went up 150+%. It is a great one. We were early into Phantom, Polkadot, Solana, Axie, Shiba Inu, Saitama, Clifford Inu, Zombie Inu. My members all had early notification that those were all good projects and they've all done well in their respectively. Now, with all that said, the overall market, not great right now. But again, long-term mentality, that's how I look at it. That's how I'm doing. I'm investing in various projects long-term, okay? With that said, as always, I appreciate you. Take it easy. Go make some money. Bye.